Namaste. Myself Reni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to discuss about Industrial and Corporate Health Advisor. What is Medical Advisor? A medical advisor career is usually the next career level for a clinical research. Medical advisors play a crucial role within the medical affairs department of pharmaceutical, biotech, medical device companies. Medical advisors work closely with regulatory affairs, clinical operations, medical writing, and other departments in the company. A medical advisor provides significant contribution towards the evaluation, critique, and communication of important medical and scientific information related to a company's product. Medical advisors assist clinical research teams and help training and supporting the sales force. A medical advisor also provides an authoritative opinion regarding medical-based questions, legal and regulatory matters, thus enabling colleagues to comply with the required statutory requirements. Some expectations from medical advisors are to work with the marketing department to develop marketing strategies and materials, to work closely with the medical information team to make sure that the information about the company's product are available and current, to provide support to regulatory affairs department for obtaining applicable product licenses, to conduct analysis of competitors' products as well as on product pipeline, to work with medical or technical writers for creation, to participate in local and international meetings to represent the company. Now see, what are the various skills and competencies needed? These are excellent leadership skills, negotiation skills, leadership skills, proactive, excellent communication skills, excellent knowledge of drug development and marketing concepts. What should be the educational background? Basic medical degree with registration certificate or any diploma or degree in pharmaceutical medicine or translation medicine or clinical research is recommended. Now what is health advisor? Health advisors are expert consultants on everything related to health and wellness. Health advisors support individuals, families and groups by helping them navigate the healthcare system. Health advisors locate top doctors, obtain meaningful second opinions, outline treatment options, recommend appropriate health insurance plans, and execute challenging healthcare decisions. Now, how can better health advisors help? Better health advisors understands the healthcare system and works with patients to help them navigate it with ease so they can make informed decisions about their health and treatment. What now? Better health advisor is a carefully vetted team of healthcare and medical professionals ready to put our knowledge and experience to work for us. Our expertise team stems from many years of experience in tackling complex problems for patients to improve their care. Whether patient want assistance on staying healthy, understanding a new diagnosis, getting a second opinion, or identifying the best ways to manage an existing condition. They work with patient one-on-one to create a health plan and simplify the process. They provide a personal health plan document that outlines all of recommendations, make sure patients receive the best quality care, and they are with patient their every steps of the way to explain things in plain. Also, a better health advisor team sends a weekly newsletter to share insights and updates on important healthcare and public health topics. Who does Better Health Advisor work with? Better Health Advisor works with individuals, families, companies and offices to keep people in optimum health. Better health advisors become highly involved in patients' care, providing expert research and recommendations on everything from choosing a pediatrician to evaluating elder care opinions. Now, what health conditions does health advisor have experience with? Better health advisor assists patients of all ages with a wide range of health conditions, many of which are quite complex. Our experience includes but is not limited to Alzheimer's, cancer, mental health, substance abuse, neurological disorders. Better health advisor manages these conditions nowadays with the COVID-19 safety precautions in mind. Now, where is Better Health Advisors located? Better Health Advisor is a boutique health advisory firm. While many of patients live overall, they have relationships with doctors and hospitals nationwide. They work with patients during their domestic and international travel, as well as patients who have a support system such as their children or living abroad. Now, how is Better Health Advisor different from other health advisory firms? They have extensive experience working in healthcare system, and they want you to benefit from the knowledge and relationship built over the years. They look at the healthcare from an insider's perspective, so they can help patients avoid the pitfalls. They know what question to ask at the patient's next doctor's appointment, how to choose the most appropriate health insurance plans, and how to get the most out of a hospital visit. They know what to bring and when to go. They can help patients recognize a quality nursing home. They know how to get patients the best possible care. They deliver unparalleled health advisory services based on teams, years of experience working in top hospitals. Now, how are health advisors different from concierge doctor? The concierge doctor is typically a primary care doctor who provides patients with extra time and personalized care in their offices. Better health advisor patterns with concierge doctors, but their work extends beyond the office visit. They advise patients at every step of the healthcare process, helping them make informed decisions. They provide guidance on insurance transitions from hospital to home, wellness, and even in-person and hospital support. Now, how does a Better Health Advisor's pricing work? Better Health Advisor offers its patients custom pricing arrangements. Patients often sign an annual retainer, but the length of engagement varies based on patients' needs. Now, does Better Health Advisor work with financial advisors to coordinate care for patients? Yeah. Better Health Advisor considers financial implications of Medicare a key component of health planning. They seamlessly coordinate with the healthcare approach and solutions with patients, others advisors such as financial advisors, trust and estate attorneys and accountants. Now, how does Better Health Advisor determine the best doctor for particular patient? They get to know patient starting with a comprehensive intake discussion. It assesses patient's healthcare and lifestyle preferences and recommend top providers and facilities that they know will give patient the best possible care. If patient have or develop a health condition that requires specialized treatment, they confer with internal and external advisors to identify highly skilled doctors with that expertise. Not only do they recommend specific doctors, but they also talk with these doctors prior to the patient visit to relay key medical information, attend appointments and follow up with patient on the next step. Now, what they offer in this: policy, compliance and license to operate for work-related injury, return to work, or any disability case management. What is the specialized medical advisory services? It is for critical health incident management globally, for execution, protection programs, medical support, for preventive health programs, for work and travel, for corporate social responsibility, for corporate sustainability health initiatives. Now there are some guidelines regarding general corporate health service vendor specifications, selection and adult, regulatory complaint, post of work, fitness for duty and return to work practices, health benefits and wellness program designs using an evidence-based platform, physician support for executive protection teams regarding medical support for traveling executives, oversight of the response for medical advice plans. Thank you.